One of the greatest challenges facing least developed countries is the access to capital. From individuals to businesses to local governments, the financial needs of the world's poor are routinely overlooked. How do we make finance work for marginalized and rural populations and for the financial providers? At the United Nations Capital Development Fund, we help to ensure the greatest impact on the Sustainable Development Goals in the world's poorest countries by offering last-mile finance models that unlock public and private resources to reduce poverty and support local economic development. We pride ourselves on our ability to innovate in difficult circumstances where others wouldn't venture. We have a healthy appetite for risk, allowing us to go after new ideas that have big potential. We provide technical assistance and capital instruments to help our partners design and test financial innovations, preparing the ground for others to replicate them and scale them up. The first pillar of our work is financial inclusion. Digital innovations are transforming how people in LDCs manage their money and access finance. By working with the private sector, we help develop products that reach millions of people, as well as small to medium-sized enterprises. Many of these products are specifically designed for women, youth, and smallholder farmers, groups that have typically been excluded from financial services. The second pillar of our work is local development finance. All too often, the investment flows that do go to least developed countries are concentrated in extractive industries, real estate, or large infrastructure projects. This is because financial decisions are typically made by central governments, with little input from local representatives. By helping governments build capacity at the local and regional level, we empower them to bring decision-making closer to the people and to promote sustainable development that works from the ground up. The third pillar of our work is a portfolio of loans and guarantees called the LDC Investment Platform. By nature, traditional investors are wary of unproven projects. But by strategically investing in promising projects, we're able to prime the pump for larger public and private investors to come in and take these companies to the next level. In fact, UNCDF has partnered with Bamboo Capital Partners to launch a fund that will channel more private sector capital to these promising companies to help them grow and scale further. This blended finance approach will help close the missing middle financing gap, empowering entrepreneurs in frontier markets to create more jobs and grow their businesses in ways that support both the UN Sustainable Development Goals and their own bottom lines. With our proven three-pronged approach, we're able to leverage relatively small investments and achieve real impact. Together, we're making finance work for the poor.